Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. Today in this class I am going to explain you second model paper. So model paper 2 Mathematics 2021. Okay, so in the previous paper, in the previous class we had discussed first model paper. Now this is the second model paper. So as usual I am going to focus more on 1 mark and 2 mark questions. So remaining questions, that 4 marks and 8 mark questions, all questions almost we will get direct questions. If any indirect problems are there, we will discuss. Okay, so what you do here, you practice this all the questions and you can estimate your marks. So how many marks you are scoring from this paper, you can estimate whether you are doing all problems or not. If you don't know any problem, just you can mark it and then you should practice today itself. Okay, just you can observe. I'm showing you this paper will explain on other whiteboard. Okay, so this is the whole paper actually. So right, okay, so that paper I'm going to explain here. Now first question, find log 32 base 2. How can you find log 32 base 2? See, the first one answer I am explaining, log 32 base 2, that equal to write log 2 to the power of 5. 32 we can write 2 to the power of 5 log base 2. Then this 5 you can get here because log x power m equal to m log x. So you write 5 into log 2 base 2, that's equal to 5 into log 2 base 2. Answer is 1 because log a base a is 1, so that log 2 base 2 is 1. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 is the answer for this question. Next one, x plus y, x plus 2y, x plus 3y in AP or not. So we should check here the common difference, that is common difference d equal to a2 minus a1. What is a2 here? That is x plus y. Okay, this is a2 minus a1 minus x. X get cancelled, y you will get here. Similarly, a3 minus a2. That means these two common difference I am going to check. So what is a3 here? X plus 2y minus x plus y. Okay, so then x plus 2y minus x minus y, minus get cancelled, 2y minus y equal to y. So both are equal. So common difference are equal, so that it is in AP. And the question is asked, if it is in AP, find the common difference. Yes, you can write answer is yes, it is AP. And the common difference is d equal to y. Okay, next question. Okay, the next one is, so once again the answer for this 5 and here y, and verify minus 1 is 1 of the 0. Actually the question it is 1 of the 0 of p of x square plus 3x minus 1 or not. So how can you check it? Take p of x is equal to 4, x means you take here minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so 4 into minus 1 square, that is 4 into minus 1 square is plus 1, because minus 1 whole square it gives a positive result, that is plus 1. So plus into minus is minus. Okay, so plus into minus is here minus 3 minus 1. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3 ones are 3, sorry 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Then your right answer is yes, it is 0 of a polynomial. And the next question is, Sujala calculated, spelling mistake it is, so Sujala calculated the distance between these 2 points. So AB distance I am taking, AB equal to, we can mark this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 means minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 1 and y1 is minus 2 whole square equal to minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 is minus 3 whole square. So what you get from this, root of this minus 9 whole square is 81, minus 3 whole square is plus 9, 81 plus 9 is 90, so that is root 90. Okay, root 90. So root 90 answer we should check using the dot method. So 90 point, they have taken only one decimal place, so that I am going to take only 2 zeros. Okay, so keep a dot here and one more dot here. This 90 is 9 9s are 81, so we need to take a perfect square here, like 9 9s are 8 8s are 4 4s, like this. So the remainder we get from this 9, and take these 2 zeros and bring down the 2 zeros here. For 9 take 2 times, that is 18. Okay, so 18 after the number what you are selecting here. For example, 18 after, if I take 5, I should multiply by 5. So 5 5s are 25, so 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, it is, excuse me, yeah, one more time we'll explain, a little bit mistake here. So 18 after, now I'm taking 5 and going to multiply by 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40 plus 2 42, and 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. So 925 is more than 900, so that I'm going to take with the 4 times, that is 18 after take a 4 and multiply by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 8s 32 plus 1 33, 33, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7, so 736. After subtracting from this we get 4, and here 9 minus 3 is 6, and here 8 minus 7 is 1, 164. So we have point, means 4 we have taken, and then because of this point we can take 2 more zeros here, and this 94 2 times we get 182. So 182 after you can select a number. So the question is 182 after, so the number what we take here, for suppose if I take, like for example 7, and we multiply by 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. Okay, so 7 8s are 56 plus 1 57, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12. But here we have 16,400, right? That means next number we will check, that is with 8. With 8 we should check here. So 182 after, if you take 8 and multiply by 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22, 8 8s are 64 plus 2 66, 8 1s are 8 plus 6 14. So nearest to this number. So what I try to say, if you take here number like maybe 8 or 9, whatever it may be, so this 9.4, 4 after a number, maybe it is 8 or 5 or 6 or 7, whatever it may be. If it is more than 5, we should add 1 to this number, then the rounded to 10 mean we get 9.5. So here also she got 9.5, so that she is correct. Okay, so the question is asked, what do you say? Yes, she is correct. Okay, so the next question is, write the hypotenuse and opposite side of angle C in the adjacent figure. So in this figure, opposite, the question is asking hypotenuse and opposite side of C. hypotenuse is AC, right? So AC is equal to 5 centimeter is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse, okay? And angle C, opposite side of angle C. Opposite side of angle C is AB, okay? AB. This is opposite side. Okay. Still, if you want to write, you can write by using the Pythagoras theorem. So definitely we will get this one 3 centimeters, and if you want to write 3 centimeters, so 3 centimeters. Actually, the question is asked hypotenuse and opposite side. So hypotenuse is AC, opposite side is AB. So that is enough for this. Next one, secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Yes, it is correct. How can we say this? Generally, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is a square minus b square form. So which is equal to a plus b into a minus b form we write. That is secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, a plus b into a minus b form. That is secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. So here secant theta plus tan theta already they gave p. So that if you take here p and we have that secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1, then what is secant theta minus tan theta here? So this secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p we get. So that this statement is true. This is the true statement. Now cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to 2, then cosecant theta minus cot theta. Yes, as per the same logic, you will get here now 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but that is 0.5. So this statement also true. So same logic you can follow by using cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. If it is 2, then you will get here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So both statements are true. P and Q are true. Option C is the right answer for this question. Which of the following is not in the first quadrant? First quadrant means this is the first quadrant actually, right? X comma Y both are positive. Remaining 3 are not a first quadrant. So we write here B, C, and D. This is the option, okay? Next, what is your mode formula in this? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Yes, option C is the right answer for this question. P of E plus P of naught equal to 1. Then here E and E naught are called complementary event. Answer is complementary events. Okay, so match the following. Linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial in this? Linear mean the degree is 1. Yes, this one. Quadratic polynomial mean degree is 2. Cubic polynomial mean degree is 3. Okay, so 1, 3. Sorry. Actually, okay. Take this one as ABC as per the options. So A3. B2, yeah, this one is the right answer. Check A3, B1, C2. Okay, next question number 11. Match the following. So option A here, it is intersecting at the 2 different points, right? This one. First, this one is not intersecting, so no 0. This one touching at only 1 point, so 1, 0. So A1, B3. A1, B3, C2. Option B is the right answer for this question also. 12th question, total surface area of the figure. What's the total surface area of the figure? This is the cylinder. Cylinder total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h, this one, and 2 pi r square into 2 pi rh. Actually, generally the base, to find the surface area here, total surface area, the base area is here pi r square and top also here pi r square. So then we get here 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square. That means the top area is pi r square, the bottom area is pi r square, because of it is a circle. 2 pi r square, and this height, I mean the remaining curved surface area is the curved surface area we can get here actually 2 pi rh, right? 2 pi rh. Now if you take 2 pi r common from the both, you will get 2 pi r into here r plus h. So then this option you will get from this one. So what is the answer? B and C both are true. Option B we will select from this. Okay, so next is section number 2. That is a 2 mark question. Actually 2 mark question will get 8 questions, right? Try to write all subset of this one. So now how to write 2 power 3 equal to 8 subsets you will get. First one is null set and A, second set is B, third set is C. Okay, because there are 3 elements, 2 to the power of 3, you can use the formula 2 power n to find number of subset. Then 8 subsets we get. So 4 already I wrote. Next AB, AB after you take BC, BC after you take AC, and then you take ABC. Okay, so you can count now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8. Next, write the rough graph of ax square plus bx plus c if a is greater than 0. A greater than 0 means you can get here upward parabola like this, okay, or like this, or like this. So whatever it may be, upward parabola. A is less than 0 means downward parabola we get. Downward parabola means like this. Okay, so this is A is greater than 0 and this is A is less than 0. Very interesting question this one. And the next one, here they gave right. The question is Amulya bought 5 mask 3 sanitizers. Mask and sanitizers she bought for 205 rupees. So express this in the form of a linear equation 2 variable. 5 mask. So how to write the step? Let the number of mask is equal to our cost of mask. Okay, cost of mask equal to rupees X. Okay, so let cost of sanitizer rupees Y. Okay, the total cost total is 205 rupees. So how to write this one now? That is 5 mask 5x 3 sanitizer 3y is equal to 205. Okay, so this is the linear equation. So directly most of the students are writing this one directly. So with this we'll get only 1 mark. So these steps also compulsory. Then only we'll get 2 out of 2 for this model questions. Okay, compulsory model this model. Next question. Make an AP which the common difference is negative. Common difference negative, it's very simple. You take just descending order. Like for example 100, 99, 98, so on. Otherwise if you want to take like 100, 90, 80, 70, so on. These all are the common difference. You will get negative common difference for this. Where do the following points 0, y? See, all are you can check here 0, minus 3, 0, minus 8, 0, 6, 0, 4. So this is the point like 0, y. 0, y is a point lies on y-axis. Okay, where do the following points are lies mean? Then y-axis is the answer for this. Next one, Sriti and Sushma are friends. So what is the probability that the both will have the different birth? Actually question wrong, it is different. Just I am correcting here, different birthday, not birth class, different birthday and same birthday. So 365 days. The question is not belongs to leap year. The question is not belongs to leap year. Then the number of days you can find 365. If 365 days in a normal year, then that is a possible outcomes. So to get the same birthday, the answer is out of 365 days, only one day they will be celebrate if they are getting the same birthday, right? Only one day, that is 301 by 365. If it is different birthday, from 365 you can subtract 1 because whole year 365 only one day will get the same birthday. If you subtract that one, remaining 364 are different days. So then 364 by 365 for this. So this answer 364 by 365. This answer 1 divided by 365. Okay. So find the mean of next question. Find the mean of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations are given. So take here x minus 2 plus, so sum of observation x minus 1 plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2. But you have to write step by step procedure. Okay, like given observations you can write a number of observations are 5, the mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation, that is 5. Now you can observe how many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So then it is 5x minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So you can cancel this. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. So then it is completely 0. So no need to write anything here. Divided by x. 5 cancel. You will get x is the answer for this question. Next question number 20. Yes. So it is direct question, right? Just a rough work I will show here. A plus. This is the problem from trigonometry. Question number, example number 7. Okay. Cos a plus b is equal to, see, cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2. So actually in the cos 1 by 2 you will get at cos 60 degrees. So you can cancel here cos. Then what you will get? A plus b equal to 60 degrees. So this is first equation. So similarly you can check this one, sin a minus b equal to sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to sin 30 degrees. 1 by 2 will get in sin 30 degrees. Okay, so here also sin get cancelled. So you take a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. This is second equation. Now you can take solve 1 and 2 equations. Okay, that means by adding both here, a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b equal to 30. So if you cancel the both plus b minus b, okay, then you have there 2a is equal to, by adding 60 plus 30, that is 90 degrees. So a equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45. Okay, so substitute this a equal to 45 in the first equation, that is you will get 45 plus b equal to 60. So just transpose this one, b equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degrees is the answer of this question. Okay, so very interesting, very important. That's it. With this all 1 mark and 2 mark questions are completed. To get the 10 points, 1 mark and 2 mark questions are very challenging to you, because completed 28 marks you will get. 1 mark questions are 12, 2 mark questions are 16, total 28 marks from 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Okay, now 4 mark question, just briefly we discuss. Question number 21, find the 0 of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Verify the relation between right. So this model I told in many model papers, very important. So you can refer, this is from exercise 3.3 question number 1, and if you want these model questions you can check it in the description given that full detail of this problem, and this one also from the chapter 1. So this problem also is available in the description, and you can see next question number, if a and b are the disjoint sets, then how can you find n of a and b? So you can take here n of a and n of b, both are disjoint set, right? To find n of a union b, it's very simple question. N of a union b equal to general formula here, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So this is formula actually. Okay, this is the formula. So but here again a and b are disjoint sets, so that n of a intersection b, if a and b are disjoint set, n of a intersection b equal to 0. So this 0 you can substitute in this here, then what you will get, n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus 0. Then finally you will get the answer here, n of a union b equal to n of A plus n of B. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Next one, write any two sets the pair of linear equation in the two variable. It's very easy. Two sets the pair of, write any two sets of the pair of linear equation in two variable mean asking two set of pairs. Don't forget. Okay, so one set I am writing, just 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Another set, another one, 3x plus something like 2y is equal to 5. This is one pair. Another one I am taking here, something like 3x minus y equal to 9, and or 2x plus 3y equal to 10, something like this. Okay, so here one pair and here one pair, total two pairs asked, so two pairs I wrote. And the next question, check whether the following are the quadratic equation or not. So this is from 5.1 first Roman. So regarding this one, we have a link in that description, you can check it. Okay, so this is 6, not B, you can consider 6. And check this question, 3y square is equal to 192. So then y square is equal to 192 divided by 3. 3 1 3 6 are 18. Okay, and 1 2 12, 3 4s are 12. You will get here y square equal to 4, but y square minus 4 equal to 0. So finally it is a quadratic equation only. Okay, so next question is here, verify the following points are collinear or not. You know how to prove it is collinear or not, you can check. You try to prove AB plus BC is equal to AC. If you can't prove this one, it is not a collinear point. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonal. Yeah, this is very important problem from exercise 8.4, question number 1 for board exam also, public exam also. I am expecting for 4 mark this question. Calculate the length of the tangents from the point 15 centimeters from the center of a circle. The radius is 9 centimeter. This one also direct problem from exercise 9.1. Okay, 9.1. I think so. This is question number maybe right. So once you check it, all are direct problems. So next, with this, all 4 mark questions are completed. Now 8 mark questions. So section number 4, draw the Venn diagram of A minus B. Just roughly I am drawing here A minus B Venn diagrams. So you can shade part. A minus B mean you can shade only A part. This is A and this is B, and here you can take mu. Okay, and the B minus A means you can take here the two sets are like this. This is A and this is B. So this is mu. So B part shade, only B part you can shade here. Okay, so A union B, you can see here A union B I am drawing. Okay, A and B. So union means what you do is you can shade full. These are okay. This is A and this is B, and here. So next one is intersection. Okay, so next one is intersection. So just you can take here A, B, okay, mu. Intersection means the middle part we have to shade it, only middle part. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Next for the choice, both are expanded from direct question from the text exercise. You can refer it. Question number 30, 2 out of 2 questions completely from textbook questions. Okay. So question number 30 here, the both questions are direct questions from the textbook. This is from exercise 11.1, question number 7, and this is example. Okay, example 2, both are important model. Once you check it in the model paper from the class books. So next one, median of the following data 525. So this is called actually missing frequency problem. So this missing frequency problem, but it is example sum, one of the example from the textbook, not exercise. Okay, so once you go through this one also, example problem, and you know very well from exercise 14.3 question number 2, but it is example, very important missing frequency problems. Okay, next question. So here takes out all the chords from the chords. So total there are 52 chords, right? From the 52 chords, if you remove Hard cards. How many hard cards are there? There are total 13 hard cards. If you remove this, and you can find out only 39 cards, right? So now picking out ace card. How many ace cards are there? Already hard card are removed, so from that one ace removed there. Remaining we have 3 ace cards now. 3 by 39. By doing cancel you will get 1 by 13. Next one, picking out a diamond. Picking out a diamonds. So what are the diamond cards? Actually there are 13 diamond cards are there out of 39 cards. So then 1 by 3 is the answer. Picking out a card that is not a heart. Picking out a card that is not a heart. Total we have 13 cards of heart cards. So all heart cards are removed, then we have complete 39 without heart. 39 out of 39, which is equal to 1. And picking out the ace of heart. There is no ace cards, so there is no heart cards. Then how you will get ace of heart cards? So that is 0 out of 39, which is equal to 0. But it's a 8 mark question. You write step by step process. Okay, then you can understand this question. I mean, then only will get full marks for this problem. Okay, so the next question, number 32. Yes, actually these all are the direct questions from the textbook. Okay, so draw the graph of p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. In the previous many model paper I told how much important problem it is, so repeatedly giving this problem. So check it in the description regarding this video link for that is a graph, how to draw the graph, and you can practice from this. And even construction model also. So this is 8th chapter construction. Don't neglect 8th chapter constructions also is there for examinations. So prepare very well. Okay, so next one, prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Yes, one of the most important from 9th chapter, that is exercise 9.2, question number 3. You can verify it is. Okay, third question. Similarly prove that 3 times of the square, 3 times of a square of any side of a equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times of the square of its altitude. So this is the problem from exercise 8.4, question number 3. Okay, so all are direct questions. 8 mark questions generally will ask 8 marks, or 4 marks also generally will ask direct from the textbook questions. Okay, so that's a topic today. So model paper 2. So you can check it how many questions you got, how many questions you know. Out of 100, how many marks you are scoring from this? Just you can give a comment in the comment section. Okay, so just you can see this, sir, just you can give your name. So I'm so and so. So in this model paper I'm getting this many marks. Okay, so I'm waiting for your comments in the comment section. So this is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.